Uba Pol Lingdo, Menteri Ketenaga Social Welfare, ula Plie yaka yau de Tiar, Purple Fair, balashna bathan yaki Briew ki Baduna Bormet, hasoso tham auditorium Shillong, haka arpu nyau tarik nailar. Amduna sans pangut ki Briew Baduna Bormet, kilashim benta hakani ka yau bande, bat ban pen ipat ba, yaki Tiar kitar ba kilashna bathan dalaki jong kikti. Yakani ka Lempung lapenlong daga Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation for Persons with Disabilities jong Khuborjylla. Haka jingkran kumukongsan uba apor ulaong. Kasorkar Meghalaya ka yarap patkershan pura, nakabenta ka roy kapa jong ki Briew ki Baduna ka Bormet. Tang kata kasorkar kalarai ru ban kershan daga jingkermen bat jing it, bat jing sngolam yaki jing tmu bat jing ang nur jong ki. Ula kentui ki pan ba ada ka baong. Ya kini ki paro jongi de ban buram ban yarap ban sumar yaki hambaro ki liang ka long Briew man Briew kiseng tremon ngobha ki Briew shimet bat kitnak trekam ka sorkar kila ai ki jingkershan ban penpho penphing ya kani ka yau ha kani ka sngi haka khatnyo tarek nai lor an penlong ya kani ka Lempung saha jowai kipat ba kari bhoi kila yo mat ya kani ka ju ka Lempung haka shi tarek nai lar hanong po.
Director of CRC for inviting me for this to be a part of this Ambassador of Purple Fair. Thank you, Doctor. So, respected dignitaries, organizer, distinguished guests, friends, and my dear fellow citizens, a very warm greeting to you. I feel great pride and gratitude to stand before you here today. The beautiful district of East Khasinews, Shillong, Meghalaya. My name is Priska Pangru. I am an athlete, proud with locomotor disability. I use a wheelchair to navigate through life. This part isn't just another event. It's a celebration for diversity, dignity, disability empowerment. It is a platform that recognizes the strength in our differences. Even like the Purple Fair, give us a chance, not just a showcase talent, not to foster deeper understanding. They give communities and opportunities to become more inclusive by recognizing the accessibility. Isn't a favor, but it is a right. Whether it's a ramp instead of stair, sign language, interpreter, assistive technology, or inclusive sport facilities. These are not luxuries, they are necessities, and they should be available to everyone and everywhere. Today, as I look around and see the energy, the creativity, and the enthusiasm filling this space, I feel hopeful for the future where no one is left behind. Let this Purple Fair not be just one-day event. Let it be a reminder and call for continued empowerment, support actions in our home, schools, and place and through government policies. Let make Meghalaya and all of India a beacon of inclusivity and equity. Before I conclude, I would like to thank the organizer, volunteer, and every person who made this event possible.
Beethoven, born with severe disabilities, whose music still lives even after several centuries. The world will not forget Stevie Wonder, who created masterpieces in music, despite turning blind at the age of 2. The world will forever be confounded by the writings of Stephen Hawking. Therefore, my message to all of us here today is to treat our Divyanjangan family not just with a show of sympathy, but more importantly, they need our empathy. We need to internalize the problems that they are confronted with and do something about it in our own small ways. We all can make a difference to this world. I'm happy to say that our department has been proactively engaged with the 5 ministries which Doreen has mentioned, and one of those is the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Today I'd like to share the happy news with you that just 2 weeks back, the Chief Minister, our Honorable Chief Minister, and I had met the Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Vijendra Kumar, to pursue certain proposals which were pending with the ministry. And we're happy to announce here that things are moving very fast. We have proposed and will soon allot 10 acres of land at New Shillong for a permanent building of the CRC. Out of this, 2 acres has been earmarked for the Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities for better and closer collaboration with the CRC. The disabled stadium has taken a definite shape. It's a 200+ crore project, and we look forward to seeing that persons with various disabilities will also be able to make use of this sports stadium meant especially for them, and especially in view of the national games scheduled to be held in Meghalaya in 2027. Once again, I assure and give you my firm commitment that the state government is very supportive of the idea of encouraging persons with disabilities. We have just seen them performing, dancing, singing. We will also link these artistic activities with our CMG MP, the music program of the government of Meghalaya, and provide them with a platform where they can showcase their various talents and abilities. So with today's program, I'd like to urge those various groups. One of them, Eastern Group, I'm happy to learn that they've even written their own original music. A lot of us who can hear properly and listen to music have not written a single line of music. So I think they deserve a round of applause for the special gift they have, and we can show to the rest of the world the kind of vocal range that they display, the harmony, the correct tempo, the cadence. All of these are indicative of a talent that can and should not be buried and the ground. A favorite song, a Christian hymn which Gandhi loved, and it started by saying, "Lead kindly light amidst the encircling gloom. Lead thou me on." And I think that spirit has continued to ignite the path of each of us who are here working entirely for the welfare of the differently able. It puzzles me to think that some of the most celebrated names in the history of mankind have been persons born with different kinds of disabilities. There was a girl who turned blind and deaf, which was barely 19 months old. But blindness did not stop her from having a vision. Deafness did not stop her from hearing the cries of agony of the differently able. She overcame what would have been a crippling combination of blindness and deafness, fought for the right of the disabled, wrote several books, became a guest lecturer welcomed across the world, an activist who the world celebrates today as Helen Keller. The challenge is that if somebody without eyesight has vision, how many of us with proper eyesight have vision? The challenge is somebody like her was deaf and heard the cries of the distressed in agony. How many of us with proper hearing can even give 2 minutes of attention other than something that concerns your own self?
And lastly, we would like to